Okay, this is my ankle taping application. I'm going to start just going over the whole top foot, heel, and up the ankle with pre-wrap. I'm making sure that I go up high enough to where I'm wrapping around the part where the calf belly starts to thin out. And then here I'm noticing that I left a little bit of the heel uncovered, so I'm going back over that with more pre-wrap. I'm going to start by laying my anchors. I'm going to do two at the top and one at the bottom around the foot. I'm making sure that all of them are not too tight, um, just comfortable, especially the one that's around the bottom of the foot, because if that one is too tight, then it can cause cramping and discomfort, and that's not what I want. So I'm making sure it's not too tight and making sure there's no wrinkles that are going to cause blistering later. Now I'm going to go in with my stirrups. I'm starting from the medial side, making sure that I'm low enough and bringing it around the heel and back up. Originally, when I was practicing, I was doing two of these, and it just wasn't enough to cover this particular subject's ankle, and so I decided that I would be doing three. Now that the stirrups are done, I'm just gonna wrap those up and tape them off to make sure that they don't come undone, making sure that I'm avoiding any wrinkles throughout the process to avoid blistering. And then I'm going to start with my heel locks, making sure that the foot is staying in 90 and doesn't keep falling below it. Starting on the medial side and wrapping around and making sure that I'm ending on that side. And I'm going to do three of these each. Now that the heel locks are done, I'm going to go through and do my horseshoes, and I'm going to make sure that I do 3 of these. And then I'm going through and I'm just wrapping everything up and getting everything back in line. I see that in my recording I did only 2 horseshoes instead of 3. But I'm just making sure that all of the tape is stable and making sure that I didn't miss any windows and that there's no points that are going to be uncovered and cause problems later. Here I saw that there was a little piece of the heel uncovered that I could feel, so I'm just recovering that. And that is my ankle taping application.